Let's look at solution of geometry bites. In the given diagram, the radius of both the circles with center O1 and O2 is 10 root 2. Okay, the area of the square O1A, O2B. Very straightforward. Can you see the radius of the circle is as good as the diameter of the square? So if this is 10 root 2, side of the square will be 10. So area of the square will be 100. Okay, next. A cube of edge 14 is cut into 8 smaller identical cubes. If it is cut into 8 smaller identical cubes, essentially the dimension has been halved. I can't really show it in a diagram, but the dimension has been halved. Top layer will have 4, bottom layer will have 4, left will have 4, right will have 4, front will have 4, back will have 4, that way. Find the ratio of the surface area of the smaller cube to that of the original cube. If the ratio of dimension 1, the dimension of the large one is to dimension of the small one is 2:1. Area ratio will simply be 4:1. Achha, but they've asked me smaller cube to that of the original cube. So answer will be option B, 1:4. Next, what is the radius of the largest possible sphere that can be inscribed in a cube of edge 6 centimeters? You can happily translate this question into a 2D shape. Within a square of edge 6 centimeter, what is the largest circle that can be fit? It will be half the length of the side. So answer should be option D. Next question. In the given figure below, ABCD is a rectangle. The ratio of length of EB to the length of BF is 2 root 3. What is the ratio of the length BF to the length FC? Okay. We have to find out BF to FC. Let's work. I'm looking at triangle AED opposite. This is 90. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. If this is A, here it should be 2A and here it should be root 3A. Now I'm looking at triangle D. Sorry, this is triangle how much? DFC. DFC. So if this is B, this should be 2B and this should be root 3B. Additionally, we were told ratio of EB to BF is 2 is to root 3. Finally, I just need the ratio. So I'm taking this as 2 and I'm taking this as root 3. Okay. So now I've got two equations for A and B. I can happily work. Root 3A is equal to B plus root 3. And the other equation I have is root 3B is equal to A plus 2. Yo. So now what I can do is B is equal to A plus 2 by, I finally need the value of B. A plus 2 by root 3. I can replace it in the original equation. So root 3A is equal to A plus 2 by root 3 plus root 3. So it goes here. I get 3A is equal to A plus 2 plus 3. So 2A is equal to 5. A is equal to 2.5. Okay. So B will be equal to 4.5 by root 3. Wonderful. What do I need? What is the ratio of length BF to length of FC? BF was root 3 and FC is 4.5 by root 3. So root 3, I get 3 is to 4.5, or this is equivalent to 2 is to 3. So option C. Next, in a trapezium ABCD, the diagonals AC and BD intersect at point T. Okay, very straightforward question. This is 16. This is 25. Let me just ECD. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. So for a trapezium, any trapezium, just notice, I hope you know this. If this is A, this is B, the area here will be under root AB. The area here will be under root AB. So here we will have area 20, here we will have area 20. So 20 plus 20, 40 plus 16, 56 plus 25, 81. Answer to the question is 81. Hopefully you learned something. That will be all. Okay, bye.